What comes to your mind when you hear the word terracotta? Pottery, the 70s, bricks, and haciendas from South America maybe? That's exactly what this trend is all about. All that's associated with terracotta. When you combine all these elements, you create a new living atmosphere. This gives a modern but ethical vibe with a bohemian touch. We also see the border between in and outdoor fade away. When you consider this border area like windows, sliding doors, shades, and screens, you improve the comfort level, and that results in an optimal indoor climate. The warm terracotta colors are applied on top of each other in the new interior, from brick brown to furious red. To create the best appearance of an outdoor wall, you should paint your indoor walls with a rough structure and a stucco sweep. The folklore designs and tassels are used by handmade rugs. Plants and cacti are put on high levels on wooden tables. Seating furniture are a mix of handcrafted wooden furniture and modern designs. Primitive art is being combined with photo-alike images of rock and pop stars from the 70s. Everything is about coziness and comfort. That's why light also takes a big part in the interior. And we are not only talking about lamps. Use natural light from outside to create a warm atmosphere with colored shades, for example. To create the right trend vibe, we add the trend color blue to all this warm stone red. This is a cooling element for the perfect atmospheric experience. You can always apply this trend even if you like your walls white. Use accessories in the color stereo red of stone blue, like window decoration, candles, pillows, or a dining chair. With an abstract artwork, you can combine the entire color palette. Attention for terrazzo in this trend. This material is, among other things, made of stone remnants from marble and other natural products. There's also terrazzo that consists of recycled plastic, glass, or organic waste. Because of its eco-friendly side, terrazzo made this comeback as a popular design. With its dot effect and the playful mix of colors, you can easily create a patio atmosphere of a Mexican hacienda. Just like terrazzo, are also tiles with an ethical folklore motif making a comeback. The mix of a terracotta wall and a tile wall with a little blue handmade tiles works great. It's a little detail, but a really important styling tip is to put the same tiles as you put on your wall on a part of your floor. You can also continue with your terracotta paint on your ceiling. This way, you're using an architectural trick which breaks the usual pattern of a surface. Inside makes us think of a trendy hotel room in a boutique hotel in sunny Colombia, the new hotspot for modern nomads. Striped kilims and wooden furniture strengthen this atmosphere. The sofa in cognac velvet gives a 70s vibe. Also, with a rough stripe as your solar protection, gives your terrace more attitude. It gives a playful feel. Combine this with a wall outside painted in the color terracotta. Put a kilim rug from inside on your outdoor tiles. Collect big stone pots and fill them with tropical plants, cacti, and flowers.